Good morning. I hope you are doing very well. I am off to a great start to the week. I wanted to talk about a powerful tool that I use very often. You may or may not know that I help business owners and teach people how to use video marketing. But don't worry, hold on. It's not about business, okay? I'm talking about how you can have an impact with people using video in your day-to-day life. So I've done this a few times and it's had a huge impact on those that I have done it with. So for example, the more recent example that I can use is it was my mother's birthday recently, and rather than sending a message, text message, or giving her a card or some sort, I made her a video message and sent it to her. And I hope she's okay with me sharing this, but she told me that it made her cry. And I think that's awesome. Not that I'm like striving to make my mom cry. Well, I am a little bit on things that are happy cry kind of thing. But this time I succeeded in doing that using the power of video, and I've done this with just friends that I want to say happy birthday to, other people that I want to show appreciation to. I sent a video to my boss on Boss's Day. So there's so many other uses, and that's like in your personal life. Now you could also do it for job interviews. You could do it for like salespeople that you're working with. Hey, I really enjoyed, speaking with you. People that you're, potential clients, sending it to them. So there's just such an enormous amount of things that you can use video for, and it has such a greater impact than anything else. It's so easy. All you do is press a button on your phone and film yourself talking to them directly, and when it's a personal message to them, it has such a profound impact. And it's so simple and so easy, and it's worked for me. I'm going to continue to keep doing it. I'm probably going to do it even more because I'm starting to see the even greater impact that it can do. And so just the power of video is amazing, and I strongly encourage you to try this out. See how you like it. It's a lot easier to send it to one person versus doing something like this where you're talking on social media to a huge group of audience of anyone and putting it out to the public. So this is something very easy that I think is manageable for anyone. I hope it helps you, impact those around you and just send them a nice positive message that maybe just helps their day, makes their day. Take care. Have a great one. Let's keep growing together.